Hello, I'm Wafer Agent. Have you ever wondered, how does a single silicon wafer become a semiconductor package? A wafer goes through front-end processing to create hundreds or thousands of circuit dies on its surface. Those dies are then tested, cut apart, attached to a package, electrically connected, protected, and finally connected to a PCB. In this video, we'll walk through the entire journey, from wafer to package, step by step.
After front-end processing is complete, the wafer surface is covered with hundreds to thousands of individual dies. Each die is an independent semiconductor circuit, a CPU, a memory chip, or a logic device. Before the wafer is cut, every die is tested electrically. This is called wafer test or wafer sort. Probe needles make contact with each die to measure its electrical characteristics. Good dies are marked as passing. Defective dies are identified and will be excluded from packaging.
The ratio of good dies to total dies on a wafer is called yield. Yield is one of the most critical metrics in semiconductor manufacturing. Higher yield means lower cost per chip, and that directly determines a company's competitiveness. Dies near the edge of the wafer tend to have lower yield. Process defects also reduce yield. Managing and improving yield is a core capability of every semiconductor manufacturer. After wafer test, the wafer is cut into individual dies. This process is called dicing. There are three main approaches: blade dicing, which uses a diamond blade; laser dicing, which uses a laser to scribe the wafer; and stealth dicing, which processes the wafer from the inside using an internal laser, especially useful for ultra-thin wafers. The global leader in dicing equipment is Disco Corporation from Japan.
Why does a die need a package? Because a bare die is extremely small, fragile, and can't connect directly to external systems. A package serves three critical roles. First, protection. It shields the die from moisture, contamination, and physical impact. Second, thermal management. It dissipates the heat generated by the die. Third, electrical connection. It connects the die to the outside world.
After dicing, the die is attached to a lead frame or substrate. This is called die attach. Then comes the critical step, creating the electrical connection between the die and the package. There are two main methods: wire bonding. Ultra-thin gold or copper wires connect the die's bond pads to the package leads. Flip chip. The die is flipped upside down, and solder bumps on the die's underside connect directly to the substrate. This enables many connections over a short distance, making it the preferred method for high-performance chips like CPUs and GPUs.
In high-performance packages, there's one more critical component: the substrate. The substrate is not just a mounting platform. Inside, it contains multiple layers of electrical wiring, signal lines, power lines, and vias connecting each layer together. Think of it as a miniature multi-layer circuit board inside the package. For FPGA substrates used in high-end chips, the key material is ABF, Ajinomoto buildup film. Once the die is connected, it still needs to be protected from the environment. In standard packages, mold compound encapsulates the die and wire bonds, protecting them from moisture, contamination, and mechanical shock. In high-performance CPUs and GPUs, a metal lid or heat spreader is mounted on top of the die instead, spreading the heat generated by the chip over a larger area. Finally, an array of solder balls on the bottom of the package connects it to the PCB. Let's connect the full journey one more time. It starts with a silicon crystal. That crystal becomes a wafer. Thousands of semiconductor circuits are built on the wafer. Wafer test identifies the good dies. Dicing separates the wafer into individual dies. The die is attached to the package. Wire bonding or flip chip creates the electrical connection. The substrate carries signals and power. Mold or lid protects the die. And solder balls connect the package to the PCB. Silicon crystal, wafer, die, package, system. This is the journey of a semiconductor.
In the next episode, we'll look inside the die itself. This has been Wafer Agent.